All right, this video is going to be focusing on how do you go from a mass of a substance to liters of another substance. All right, so mass to liters. First, let's read the problem and then we'll try to figure out how to read the Stoich map. Okay, how many liters of hydrogen gas? So we're going to write down, I need to know how many liters of hydrogen gas can be produced if I used 56 grams of lead. All right, so that's 56 grams. All right, so it's very easy to identify the grams because there's only 1 grams of any type of conversion. The problem is if you notice, there are 2 liters conversions. One is if it's a gas at STP, and STP stands for standard temperature and pressure. And those are just defined situations or scenarios that scientists have come up. Standard temperature is written as 273 Kelvin, which is equal to 0 degrees Celsius. And the standard pressure is 1 atmosphere, 760 millimeters of mercury, or 101.3 kPa. These all mean the same thing as far as pressure goes, and these all mean the same thing as far as temperatures go. They're just different units depending on what you're studying. You're going to do that. A standard pressure is typically like at sea level what you would feel from the atmosphere. So that would be standard pressure. And standard temperature is obviously when water freezes. So that would be the standard temperature. So whenever you want liters, you have to think, am I using liters and is it a gas? Or is it liters and I need to use a conversion with molarity and concentration? In this case, it says it's a gas and it says it's STP. So we are going to be using these conversions. So first we're going to go to grams, and then we're going to go to liters of a gas at STP. So once again, I'm trying to find liters, and I started with 56 grams of this. So starting off, I'm going to go 56 grams of lead, and now I'm going to try to do my conversion from here to here, which means I need to go to moles of lead. So I'm going to put 1 mole of lead on top. And how do I do that? I need to use the periodic table and the molar mass, which is 207.2 grams of lead. Now I'm here. So I need to go over to mole B. So I'm going to put mole of PB on the bottom because it's on the top on the upper left. That is really bad writing. Sorry about that. And then we are going to go 2 moles of my hydrogen. I'm going to use the balanced equation to figure out my coefficients, which is 1 to 1. And now I'm here. And now I just need to get to liters. So I am going to put moles on the bottom for hydrogen, and I am going to go to liters. So what is my conversion? It is 22.4 liters for every 1 mole of hydrogen. So when you multiply and divide that out, you get 6.054 liters of hydrogen. But when you round it to the 2 sig figs from the problem, it's 1, 2. So this would round up, so it's 6.1 liters of hydrogen gas. All right, that's how you go from mass of a substance to liters of a gas of a different substance.